Hello friends, today I'm going to show you some fundamentals that are quite important when we use sticks, especially hunting in South Africa, where it's something that you need for sure, right, to make a good placement. I'm going to use my 404 Jeffrey, which is a really heavy rifle. That is for dangerous game. But I choose this rifle because it's the most difficult to handle, right? Not because you are going to shoot antelopes with that. You are going to shoot with calibers 30 or 6, 300 win maximum, right? But anyway, I have been three different complements to show you how to use in the right way, okay? I'm going to start for the most difficult, which is only a bipod. So, the most important, in order to use the right, to make the right shooting, is to take the balance of the rifle and to know where the balance is placed of the rifle. In this case, for this rifle, my balance is here, right here. So what is quite important is to put the rifle as parallel as possible to the land, right? So for my size, that is okay. So I cannot be like that. I cannot be like that. As a lot of people are using it to shoot like that or to shoot like that. With this hand here, is not good. So you take the balance, right? You take your measure in terms of how has to be the rifle position, respect your shoulder to the bipod, and later it's as easy as to do that. So only with this bipod, I can shoot at 150 meters with no problems, right? So fundamentals is to put the rifle parallel to the land, shoulder higher has to be right, and not to do like that, and not to do, as I said you, something like that, or something trying to aim higher. See? But in a natural way, rifle has to be stable, right, and no more than take here your aiming in a natural way. So you use this bipod no more than to support the weight of the rifle, and you aim in a natural way, right? Let's go to try with a tripod. Okay, a tripod is something that normally we are going to use a lot in Africa. I explain you why. Because you can deploy the tripod easily, and the tripod is still alone, right? You don't nobody needs to be waiting and touching the bipod just the moment you arrive. But what is quite important as well is the same thing, is to put the tripod at the size that you need. Conform my size, that's okay for me. So, why a tripod? Because the tracker or the PH is going to place it the tripod, and later you are going to arrive to aim and to shoot, aiming well, but not taking long time, you know. Scope, yes, okay, no. So with 2, 3, 4 magnification, 5 magnification, no more, you can shoot at 150 meters a kudu, a sable, the main part of the main antelopes. And for the smaller, like impala or springback, other ones, probably you need a bit more of magnification, but these animals are quite scary every time. So it doesn't give us too much time to take the right position. So that is the reason to use a tripod, because a tripod you can deploy easily, and the hunter coming, aiming. Of course, the rifle has to be reloaded. We put safety on, off, and that's all. And we are going to see what happened with 4 legs. Well, 4 legs, of course, it is really more stable, we can see that it's really more stable, right? So, because you have a bit more of stability here. However, the forelegs is something that you cannot let alone, right? Obviously because it has enough stability. So when the PH deploys, the forelegs has to be close to you. So that means that there are one people here, another coming, so there are two people in front of the game. And two people in front of the game is really a lot of people. Do you know what I mean? Because we try to shoot always in blinded areas. So obviously that has a lot of stability. It is the same. I put always the rifle parallel to the land, to my shoulder size, right? That is the most important. And later, okay, we shoot. So that is quite stable, but it's not so practical in Africa. Understand? So that is the reason that we use in Africa tripods instead that. In any case, if you shoot only with a single leg, it's the same. The most important is always to position it in the right place, rifle conforming the balance of the rifle, that it changes every time, but because that depends on your rifle. So the weight of the rifle, the balance has to be here, could be here, 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 depends on the rifle. So you choose the right balance, you aim, and you shoot, right? For example, what I have already done right now, the stick was a little bit high. Instead to make like that, what I do is no more than a shorter movement, open my place to reduce the altitude of the position of the rifle. No more like that. It's okay. Well, I hope that all these explanations, short explanations, can be good for you. And you have to practice in the shooting range, especially with a tripod or even with a bipod, and to take your feeling about what is better for you. But remember, most important is the balance of the rifle and position in your shoulder, conforming how is the land, flat.